Hi, I am teacher Anna and I am here to continue our lesson about subtraction. In previous lessons, we learnt about the definition of subtraction and how to perform subtraction with single-digit whole numbers and multi-digit whole numbers. This time let us perform subtraction with multiple subtrahends. So how is subtraction performed if there are multiple subtrahends? Let us take this example. 27,292 minus 5,279 minus 208. One way of performing the operation of subtraction is from left to right, or in this case, top to bottom, where the number on top is the minuend and the numbers below are subtrahends. Again, the digits of the numbers should align vertically and accordingly to their place value. Let's subtract. Again, start with the rightmost digits. 2 minus 9 minus 8. 2 is already less than 9. This means 2 has to borrow from the digit in the next place value. So 2 has to borrow from 9. 2 becomes 12 and 9 becomes 8. Let's again perform the subtraction in the ones place. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 3 minus 8. 3 is also less than 8. This means the amount we borrowed from the next place value was not enough. We need to borrow more. 12 has to borrow 1 from 8. 12 becomes 22 and 8 becomes 7. Let us again perform the subtraction in the ones place. 22 minus 9 equals 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 5 is then written below the digits in the ones place value. Next, the new digit in the next place value of the minuend is 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Next, 2 minus 2 equals 0. 0 minus 2. 0 is less than 2. Let us go back from the top and borrow 1 from 7. 2 becomes 12 and 7 becomes 6. Let us again perform the subtraction. 12 minus 2 equals 10. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Next, the new digit in the next place value is 6. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Next, there is no digit below the leftmost digit in the minuend. So 2 is simply brought down. The difference, therefore, is 21,805. Another method is by performing the subtraction one subtrahend at a time. This means we can take the difference of the minuend and one of the subtrahend first. Their difference then becomes the new minuend and the other subtrahend is subtracted from it. In the given example, we can perform 27,292 minus 5,279 first. Again, we can write the expression vertically. Again, the digits of the numbers should align vertically and accordingly to their place value. 27,292 minus 5,279. Again, start with the rightmost digits. 2 minus 9. 2 is less than 9. This means 2 has to borrow from the digit in the next place value. So 2 has to borrow from 9. 2 becomes 12 and 9 becomes 8. Let's again perform the subtraction in the ones place. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Next, the new digit in the next place value is 8. 8 minus 7 equals 1. Next, 2 minus 2 equals 0. Next, 7 minus 5 equals 2. Next, 2 minus 0 equals 2, or 2 is simply brought down. The first difference therefore is 22,013. 22,013 now becomes the new minuend and the other subtrahend is subtracted from it. The expression therefore is 22,013 minus 208. Let us subtract. 3 minus 8. 3 is less than 8. Borrow I from 1. 3 becomes 13 and 1 becomes 0. 13 minus 8 equals 5. Next. The new digit in the next place value is 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Next. 0 minus 2. Borrow 1 form 2. 0 becomes 10 and 2 becomes 1. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Next. The new digit in the next place value is 1. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Next. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Or 2 is simply brought down. Again, the difference is 21,805. Welcome to Hippocampus Learning Videos. If you are enjoying the Hippocampus Learning videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new learning videos are added to the channel. Hippocampus ETV is also on Patreon. Please check it out. Happy learning! The next solution in performing the subtraction with multiple subtrahends is by adding the subtrahends. Their total can then be subtracted from the minuend. In the given example, the subtrahends are 5,279 and 208. We can get the total of these numbers first, and their sum is subtracted from the minuend. Let us take the sum of the subtrahends, 5,279 and 208. Again, we can write the expression vertically with the digits aligned accordingly to their place value. 5,279 plus 208. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Bring down 7. Bring up 1. Next. 1 plus 7 plus 0 equals 8. Bring down 8. Next. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Bring down 4. Next. Bring down 5. The sum of the subtrahends is therefore 5,487. This sum becomes the new subtrahend. The next expression is therefore 27,292 minus 5,487. Let us subtract. 2 minus 7. 2 is less than 7. Borrow 1 from 9. 2 becomes 12. And 9 becomes 8. Let us try the subtraction in the one place again. 12 minus 7 equals 5. Next. The new digit in the next place value is 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Next. 2 minus 4. 2 is less than 4. Borrow 1 from 7. 2 becomes 12. And 7 becomes 6. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Next. The new digit in the next place value is 6. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Next. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Or 2 is simply brought down. That ends our lesson on subtraction. Thank you for studying with us. We hope you enjoyed learning with us and that you continue studying and continue watching the Hippocampus Learning videos. The next lesson will be about multiplication. Multiplication is a very interesting and challenging topic. We encourage you to join us in that lesson so we could learn together. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!